Hey guys, in this video I will show you the 10 best browser games for Android and iOS. Alright, let's begin. Starting off at number 1, we have Slither.io. This is a fun multiplayer snake game where you grow by eating pellets while avoiding other snakes. It's simple but very addictive for quick gaming sessions. Coming in at number 2 is 2048. This puzzle game challenges you to combine tiles with the same numbers to reach 2048. It's perfect for testing your strategy and planning skills. At number 3, we have Tetris, a classic block stacking game that never gets old. It's great for passing time and sharpening your reflexes. Next, at number 4, is Scribble.io. This is an online drawing and guessing game where you compete with friends or random players. It's hilarious and full of surprises. Number 5 is Crunker.io, a fast-paced first-person shooter you can play directly in your browser. Quick matches make it exciting and competitive. Coming in at number 6, we have Powerline.io. Control your neon snake and try to grow by running over other players. It's fun and fast-paced. At number 7, we have Kirka.io, another addictive I.O. game that mixes strategy and speed. Avoid enemies and dominate the arena. Number 8 is Wordle, the viral word puzzle that tests your vocabulary in just a few guesses. It's simple but very challenging. At number 9, we have cardgames.io. Play classic card games like Solitaire, Hearts, and more, all from your browser. Great for relaxing moments. Finally, at number 10, we have paper.io too. Capture territory and compete against other players online. Fast, fun, and highly competitive. So that's basically the 10 best browser games for Android and iOS. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.